Have you ever replayed the same thought 100 times until it stored your place? Maybe it was a conversation you had. Maybe it was a mistake from the past. Or maybe it was a decision you still have not made. Overthinking feels harmless, right? We tell ourselves, if keep thinking, I will find the answer. But what if I told you overthinking is silently destroying your happiness, your condition, and even your future? It whispers, if you think about this problem again and again, you will finally gain control. But the truth, overthinking does not give us control. It still control. Think you about it. You have lying in bed at night staring at the ceiling. You replay that's one conversation. What you should have said, what they should have said. You imagine the worst case outcome over and over. Instead of solving anything, your mind traps you in a endless loop. So, what's the real danger? Let's break it down. First, lost time. Hours, day, even years are wasted inside thought loops. While you are busy thinking, life is quality passing by. Second, paralyze action. Overthinking make you scared of making the wrong choice, so you make no choice at all, and sometimes not choosing it the worst choice you can make. Third, distant reality. The more you overthink, the more you start believing your fears, instant or factors. The mind takes turnip problems and turns them into monsters. Fourth, emotional burnout. Overthinking drains your energy. You wake up tired. You feel heavy, and even small tasks feel impossible. Joy disappears, creativity fades, and life beginning to feel like survive instead of living. But here's the good news. Here's another way. Buddha once said, your want enemy cannot harm you as much your own thought. That's the truth of overthinking. Our thoughts are not enemies, but when we hold on the theme to they turn against us. Think of your thought like clouds in the sky. They are meant to pass by, but overthink happiness when we grab those clouds and refuse to let. We try to shape them, control them, fix them, and suddenly we are struck in a storm of our own making. So, how do you expect? Here there simple tool you can use today. Number 1. When your mind is racing, don't fight it. Just name it. This is fear. This is worry. This is doubt. The moment you give it a name, you create space between you and the thought. Number 2. Breathe and return to now. Try the 4-4-4-4-4 breathing technique. Breathing in a 4 count, hold 4 count, breathe out for 4, hold again for 4. In less than 20 seconds, your body calms down and your mind follows. Number 3. Take tiny action. Overthinking, love, inactive. The forest way to break the loop is with one simple step. Write the email, make the call, start the task. Action bring reality, thinking does not. At last, remember this: your mind is a beautiful servant, but a dangerous master when overthinking. Your mind become your cage, but when you learn to let go, your mind become your freedom. The moment you stop living in your hand and return the present pace winging, and that space has been writing for you all along. If a message spoke to you, share it with someone who trapped in their thought today. Become someone, remember, is all its tax, so person free.